Hey guys, it's day 2.
I was searching for an open door. I was looking for a peace of mind. It's a feeling that I tend to get. Won't rest until I make it right.
Last time I did this was at the end of 2019. I wandered the vast landscapes of East Java over in Indonesia, from volcanoes to the jungly waterfalls. But it's been 9 months. I've been preoccupied since the start of 2020, head down, working hard on a better future for myself. But nothing compares to this.
Oh, this house with my home to rent, so you can make it all. So you can make it all. Now, I know you're alright. So
It's currently 6:20 a.m. and I've been awake for almost an hour. So when I woke up and saw that it was glowing red, I quickly packed my gear, walked over to the beach. Well, I kind of jogged actually. I didn't want to miss it. So I'm so glad I woke up and still went here. It was so nice and purpley and pink. The sky was just on fire. I miss going on a sunrise mission. The last time was in Bali in November of last year. And I know this is only like 2 to 3 hours from where I live, but honestly, it was so beautiful. It was so gorgeous to see the sky light up. So happy. So happy.
we were standing in the freezing rain.
Oh, damn. You ready to go
Honey, how could I forget? In the distance were the warning bells. But I knew that you
Damn.
came, yeah. We were standing in
You're
the
insane.
freezing rain. Honey, how could I forget? In the distance were the warning bells. But I knew that you would care.
Nothing compares to the experiences we share with the people we're closest to. No new camera or iPhone will ever replace the memories we get to relive within our minds and the stories we get to share for years to come. And that's the beauty of travel.
Hold this house up with my own two hands, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. Now, I know you're alright. So blue, like a rose in a riverbed.
I miss it all. I miss the early wake-up calls, the long scooter rides, the painfully loud boat rides, the long airport commutes, all of it. I know I definitely took travel for granted, knowing how easily I could book another trip. But that's why every time I went, I gave it my all, to be present in every moment.